Hi guys! Welcome sa Step 9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on rational inequalities, no? So, sa mga previous videos na pag-aralan natin yung mga steps, kaya hopefully, no, by now ay alam niyo na kung paano mag-solve ng rational inequalities. Okay, let's have another example. X minus 1 over x squared minus 16 is less than 0. So, tignan natin. Okay, for the critical values, we have for the numerator, we have x minus 1 is equal to 0, which means that x is equal to 1. And then for the denominator, we have x squared minus 16 is equal to 0, which means that x plus 4 times x minus 4 is equal to 0, which means that x is equal to x plus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. Ibig sabihin x equals negative 4 and x is equal to 4. Okay, so yun yung mga critical values natin, no? Now, pag nakuha na natin yung mga critical values, we plot, no? We plot them on the number line, no? So, for the sign analysis, no? Gawa tayo ng number line. And then i-plot natin yung mga critical values. So we have 1, 3, 4, 5, and then we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, at saka negative 5, no? So ang critical values natin ay 1. Lagyan natin ng boundary, no? So we have 4. And saka we have negative 4. Okay? So, pag nakuha na natin yung mga critical values, yung mga critical values, siya yung nagde-divide sa number line into intervals, no? At sa bawat interval ay kukuha tayo ng isang value para i-substitute natin dito sa equation, no? Sa inequality. So, x minus 1 x minus 1 over x squared minus 16 is less than 0. So we check if the sign is negative or positive. Pag negative, sabihin less than 0, negative, solution siya. Pag 0 tsaka positive, hindi siya solution. So we're looking for the negative values. Okay? Check natin yung check natin yung x equals negative 5, no? Dito sa to the left of negative 4. So negative 5 minus 1 so x equals negative 5 minus 1 over negative 4 squared minus not negative 4 squared, but negative 5 squared. Minus 16. That is equal to negative 6 over, what is 25 minus 16? That's 9, di ba? So that's negative 6 over 9. Which is a negative number, di ba? That's negative 6 over 9, which is a negative number. Alright? So mukhang solution ito, no? Kasi negative siya. What about here? Ang pinakamadali kayo number. X equals 0, di ba? So 0 minus 1 over 0 squared minus 16. This is equal to 1 over 16. negative 1 over negative 16. So, magiging positive siya. Which means that yung interval na to ay positive siya, no? And for here, x equals 2. We have 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 over 2 squared minus 16, which is equal to 1 over negative 12. So, negative din ulit dito, di ba? And to the right of 4, we have x equals 5. So, magiging 5 minus 1 over 5 squared minus 16, which is equal to 4 over 9. 25 minus 16 is 9. So, this is positive. Now, alam natin that yung mga positive, hindi siya solution kasi ay hinahanap natin ito, diba? Hindi rin solution yung equal to 0, no? So, nag-equate tayo ng 0. Hindi rin kasama yung equal to 0, hindi rin kasama yung 1. Hindi rin kasama yung negative 4, tsaka hindi rin kasama yung 4. Oh, by the way, sandali. Yung 0 ay kailan magiging 0 yung function? Pag yung numerator niya ay 0, di ba? So, 0 over something. At magiging 0 ito pag 1, di ba? So, pwede natin i-test dito. Pwede natin i-test yung mga interval, no? Sorry, not interval, but the critical values. Di ba here? Yung critical values yan, di ba? So, di ba? 1, 4, at saka negative 4. So, at x equals negative 4, no? Tignan nyo to. At x is equal to negative 4, saka 4. Magiging 4 squared minus 16, magiging 0 to. Saka negative 4 squared is also 16. So, magiging 0 yan, which means na undefined ito kasi yung denominator natin 0, di ba? Which means hindi kasama sa solution. So, hindi na pwede yung hindi na pwede yung 4 saka negative 4, hindi na siya kasama, no? At x equals 1, no? If x equals 1, yung isa sa mga critical values, yung the remaining critical value, this is 1 minus 1 over 1 squared minus 16. So, magiging 0 yung numerator niya. Magiging equal to 0 siya. Hindi rin siya kasama kasi dapat less than 0. So, yung tatlong yan, hindi sila kasama lahat. Yung tatlong critical values. So, alin yung mga kasama? Yung mga kasama, yung may mga negative na sign. Yun nandito, di ba? Yung value ng inequality ay less than 0. So, ito from here to here. Hindi kasama yung 4, di ba? So, itong part lang na to. Tsaka from here to here. Okay? So, which means that it's from negative infinity up to negative 4. Pero hindi kasama yung negative 4. Tapos from 1 up to 4. Hindi rin kasama yung 1 saka 4. Pagkasama yan yung 1, ganyan yan, di ba? Nalala nyo sa interval notation. So, since pareho yan ay kasama, which means union. So, this is the solution to the inequality. Yan yung pinakasagot natin. Yan yung tatawag natin na interval notation. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana may natutunan kayo. We'll have more examples dito sa series. Abang-abang lang kayo. Gusto ko invite sa zip9.com yung ating website at syempre yung ating YouTube channel, no, youtube.com/user/zip9ph. See you!